Hello students, I hope you have studied addition part 1 and 2. Now we are on third part of addition, that is statement sums, or you can call them word problems. Like you have given a question and you have to solve it. They are called the word problems. So first let's take one example or two examples to study what are word problems and how they can be solved out. So here is the first question. I am reading out, listen it properly. There are 150 toffees in one packet and 250 toffees in another packet. How many toffees are there in all? How many toffees? 150 toffees in one packet and 250 toffees in another packet. See, I have drawn a diagram like one packet and second packet. In one packet there are 150 and in two packet there are second packet there are 250. This is the question, and what is he asking up to you? That how many toffees are there in all? In both of the packets, total number of toffees are of what number? So what we will do, we will this and this. Like for example, there are two girls, one is having 5 toffees and another is having 5 toffees. So how we will use check the total number of toffees are how many? You will add. So same thing you have to do here. Toffees of one packet, toffees of second packet, all together addition we have to do. We have to do addition to get the total of how many toffees are there in total in both of them. So we have started the solution. First we will write the statements like word problems or statement sums. In statement sum, what we say statements. The statements are what? Like we describe what we are writing. That 150 indicates what? Toffees in first packet. 150 indicates toffees in one packet. So while writing the statement, we will first write the statement that toffees in first packet is equals to 150. Toffees in first packet is equals to 150. Toffees in another packet, see 250 toffees in another packet. So I have written toffees in another packet is equals to 250. So we have written how we have to write. We have to write hundreds, tens and ones. Below it, write according to the place value of the number you have given. 150 was given, so 1 come under 100, 2 come under 5 come under tens and 0 come under ones. Same 250 you have to write. And now what we have to do? We have to calculate the total toffees. So I have written total toffees is equals to 400. We have added up at ones place 0, 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 carry I have done. Then don't forget to add the carry one also. So 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 400. So total toffees altogether were 400. Now next one more example I have taken. In a library there are 450 English books and 700 maths books. How many English books? 450 and maths books 700. So how many books are there in library? Again the same, that they are asking total number of books in the library are how many? 700 are of maths, we know, and 450 of English we know, but total in together what we have? So when we have to do the total, what we do? Like see, English books are of how much? 450 are there, and maths books 700. So when we have to total it, we have to do the addition. So how we will do the solution? English books, that is 450. So we have written under hundreds, tens and ones, and we have put the value according to their place values of the digits. So 450. Now maths books 700. We were given that maths books we are having 700 and English books 450. So total books is, now let's start the addition. At ones place, 0 plus 0, that is 0, 5 plus 0, that is 5, and 4 plus 7, that is 12. So total 12, 1250, that is 1250 books are there in library. So total number of books, there are 1250 total books are there in the library. So try to revise it properly in next on in I will give you some questions, so practice them properly.